Now we need to start the actual modeling of this structure. But I don't really want to redo everything from the scratch. That's why let's go to Equations, right-click, then Manage Equations. And here you will have the option to export. So I need to export these. And the name is equations.txt, which is basically a text file. And here you can define the location. It will be on my desktop, then export, then hit OK. And then I don't want to redraw this sketch. That's why I will select it from here, then go to Edit, then select Copy. Create a new part, then select the right, start a sketch, and from Edit, select Paste. Here you have the sketch listed. Finish the sketch and make sure to have mmgs here. Now we need to list the global variables we already created. So right-click Equations and then select Manage Equations. Go to Import and navigate until you find the text file we just exported, which is Equations. Hit Open and then select Import. Here we have all the global variables and their values. And here we have problems with the dimensions we defined in that sketch. That's why click here, hold Shift, and click here, then right-click and delete Equations. Now you don't have any problem, just hit OK. And if you go to Equations, you will find them listed here. Let's edit the definition of this sketch. Before placing any dimensions, we need to set this in the origin. That's why select Move Entities and select all these, and we need to be able to control this sketch from this point. So the start point will be this one, then simply drag it and snap to the origin. Once done, we need to place the dimensions now. So select Smart Dimension. Let's start with this one. Hit Equal and set this to Height. Then once again, set this to Equal and it will be Length. Once again, let's define the angle. Hit Equal and it should be Angle. And here, select this point and this one and set this to 400 and do it again here. Hit Equal and select this dimension, then hit OK. And we need to define this distance, which is 120. And finally, we need this distance, which is 800. Now, as you can see, the sketch is not fully defined yet. Let's see what's the problem. If you try to drag this, the whole sketch will move. So simply hold this point and snap to the origin. Now we have a fully defined sketch and we are ready to start the modeling process. Finish the sketch.